and bolt tank, the brass piece. So grab an Allen key to remove this screw first. The size of the Allen key is 3.0 matrix. Put that out. So you got access to the bolt tank. This piece. And that's the brass spacer. Remember, when you put the brass spacer back in, always O-ring in first. To get access to the Airshaft spring and the crash ring, what you need to do is just remove the 4 screws on this bolt stopper. I believe that should be the 2.0 from the matrix. Yes. Four of them. Comes off. Here we go. That's the Airshaft spring, and that's the crash ring. The stock one should be like a rubber crash ring, which is made by 75-degree rubber, and we're gonna update the production to use the 90-degree rubber to increase the hardness and make it stronger. Now that's easy to shatter, and that's like a free upgrade for the next few months. By then, if that still crashes, I'd recommend you to get a palm ring, which takes some materials, a dial ring, and similar stuff. And the whole piece is Airshaft. Pretty straightforward. Before putting this back in, I just clean everything off. Alright, thank you.